Hey everybody, Jen Oridson popping in here real quick for a unboxing video of Wildtree's brand new H2 Challenge bundle. Just came out, available a few days ago and arrived on my doorstep courtesy of UPS like 30 minutes ago, and I have resisted opening it at all to share the amazingness with all of you. So I didn't take time to clean up my kitchen before I did this, so I'm not gonna whip my phone around willy-nilly showing you the box. So I am opening it here off to the side and we'll see what's in here. So what is the H2 Challenge? It is a 21-day morning till night breakfast, lunch, dinner meal plan laid out completely for you. If you want the whole package, you want to not put a single thought to any meal for the next 21 days, or you can stretch it out to a month because there's a lot of food in these things. And if you have more leftovers than another family, you could stretch this out way farther. Or if you are feeding just you and another person, you could stretch it out for 2 months, honestly. The magic is that it is a calendared plan with every single meal mapped out for you. If you want healthy meals that are just done, no thinking and planning, you want to give the H2 Challenge a try. It is gluten-free, dairy-free, and sugar-free on the Wildtree spices, and then the recipes can be adapted to also be gluten-free, dairy-free, with a couple easy modifications that anyone following those kind of diets would already do. Like if it calls for tortillas and you're gluten-free, you will naturally choose the gluten-free version, would you not? And if it calls for putting shredded cheddar or shredded mozzarella on top of your stuffed peppers and you're dairy-free, you would know what to do with that, right? So they are basically gluten-free, dairy-free meals as long as you're up on the swaps. And we also have a cheat sheet for if you're getting brand new started with those diets. If you just decided we're gonna go gluten-free this month and you don't quite know what to do with that yet, we have a cheat sheet saying for every meal, if there is any gluten-containing items in the at the mealtime ingredients like buns or whatever, we provide the suggested swaps for you in this cheat sheet. So anyway, without further ado, let's look into the bundle. Okay. No? My video's not done, sweetie. Okay, so actually the funnest, most fun thing about this set is this awesome book. I need to take a step back because it's bigger than my head. And it is your H2 Challenge 21 Days to Healthy Habits guide. So in here, it has something that fell out. It has your steps, how to get prepped with your dinners, shop, label, and prepare, freezer meals for the dinners. It has your entire make-ahead grocery list. So if you're gonna go shopping for all 21 make-ahead freezer meals for the challenge, this is your master list, right? And then it has the prep instructions. So if you're gonna be prepping all 21 of your meals, these are the two, this front and back here is what you'd be following. And then it has it all mapped out week by week. So this first one, days 1 through 7 at a glance. Here's your calendar on what breakfasts you're gonna be eating, what you're gonna do for your lunches and your dinners. Here's your grocery list for the that week. So it's just gonna include what you need for the breakfasts and the lunches because we've already prepped ahead all the 21 dinners, right? So we just need to be shopping on this week 1 list for the lunches and breakfasts. And then it does have just basic healthy living reminders here at the bottom. I think those are there for every week probably. And then you have the detailed deep dive for that whole week. So this is week 1, day 1. There's a page for every day. So this is what you're eating on day 1 for breakfast, a Wildtree balanced meal shake. You're eating spiced couscous salad. On day 2, you're eating 1 pan shrimp and sausage. Or not on day 2. This is all day 1. Anyway, this is day 2, etc. Breaks it down day by day. You repeat that week by week. So then week 2, days 8 through 14, it has your calendar there, your grocery list for your lunches and breakfasts. Remember, dinner's already been taken care of. For week 2, repeat your daily deep dive on for week 2, and then same thing for your final week, week 3. Week 3 grocery list for your lunches and breakfasts, etc. And then,
Mommy, I
well, that's it. I think let's see what fell on the ground. Oh, the bag labels. Always loving the bag labels. Okay.
Hey, Mommy.
So when and the full 21-day calendar. So if you want to take a look at what the whole,
Mom!
I hope you can hear over this. This is crazy.
Mommy, you hurt me. Wait, don't watch this.
The watch hurt you. I didn't touch you. Take that to Elsa, would you please?
No.
Slice of life, guys. Slice of life. Okay, so this is the full glance of the 21 days and what the calendar looks like. This is what I've been sharing with everyone who wants to take a peek at what the H2 challenge includes. Then I show them this. Elias.
I'm gonna plug this in.
Okay, sit over here. And then the bag labels. So I would like to put in my opinion right here that these are extra super duper awesome bag labels because they have all the information that you need for the meal, and they're all different sizes because there's a lot of differing amounts of information, but it has the number of servings, the cooking method, the amount of time, all the instructions, whatever you need at cooking time is right there on the bag labels. These are, days 1 through 7, days 8 through 14, days 15 through 21. They're just amazing. They're actually, I wish you could touch these. They're really high quality, nice, thick, glossy, beautiful stickers. So these would go on your freezer bags. So that's the paperwork. I think it's broken, my love.
Then why did it run out of batteries?
It doesn't run out of batteries. Here, let's see. No, the light, I think the bulb's burnt out. Okay, go play with Elsa.
But Elsa's not playing.
Oh, okay. Well, hang out with me. Okay, so let's take a look at what's in the kit. So it comes with 14 full-size Wildtree products, and the star of the show, in my opinion, is the Wildtree Wellness Shake. I chose chocolate. I do love both vanilla and chocolate, but I had to pick one, so I picked chocolate. And then it comes with a shaker bottle. Elias, look at me, cutting kiwis, handing them out mid-video. I'm a pro. Comes with a shaker bottle. So you have, this is going to cover about half of your breakfasts for the H2 challenge is wellness shakes. And then we have all the rest of the products that are used to make the whole shebang. Natural grapeseed oil, one of our flagship products. Oh, yep, Greek vinaigrette, one of my favorites. Greek vinaigrette is a super, super clean dressing that we have. Our amazing coconut oil, it's also part of the bundle. What do we got here? Cajun. This would fall in the category of a little bit spicy. We love, love, love it in our house. We really like heat around here, even the kids. Sometimes they just arm themselves with a glass of milk and take a milk sip every couple bites. But if you're not a spicy lover, then I do have some swaps to recommend. In general, I've told people that Memphis Dry Rub is a really great substitution for when you don't want Cajun. Oh, arrabbiata. Okay, the other super spicy one. This one's actually pretty spicy. And this is like a hot Italian kind of flavor. And if you don't do spice, then you would maybe want to sub this out for our hearty spaghetti blend or something like that, because it still gives you the Italian palate, but not super spicy. Garlic and herb, one of our classic products, been around since like the beginning of Wildtree. Tuscany bread dipper Tuscany bread dipper herb blend. That one's kind of a mouthful. That exists in quite a few of our bundles. A lot of people are familiar with that one. It's in Family Favorites. It's in Wholly Delicious. Or the old Simply Wholesome, I mean. Adobo seasoning, another classic one. I've heard people talk about this as spicy. I don't think it's spicy at all. I think if you're afraid of spice, try it anyway. because I think it's just delicious and garlicky and not spicy. So give it a try. Ethiopian spice blend. If you think that sounds a little too exotic, try it anyway. We love it. We have it all the time. We have loved everything we've had it in. We've had it in really fun ways. It's used in a stew and in one of the burgers in this menu, and it's just really fun. So if you think that this is maybe too out there for you, give it a try anyway. You won't regret it. You'll thank me, I promise. Rancher steak rub. Okay, of course. If you know me and have followed me for even 1 second and you don't know what rancher steak rub is or haven't tried it yet, oh, stop it. Just stop it. Okay, that's like my #1 go-to seasonal. Anytime a recipe is calling for salt and pepper, I'm like, are you smoking crack? You mean rancher steak rub instead. So, yes. Gourmet sea salt 5 pepper. That sounds super spicy, and if you're super sensitive, I guess you might consider it spicy, but it's our #1 favorite salt around here. We use it just generally instead of salt sometimes because we love it so much. 3 more. So this is how much is in this bundle. So much stuff, so much stuff. Dill dip, classic. It's like, oh, it's the best. It makes a dip that I call dill crack. Love it. Garlic galore, thank goodness. I actually had run out of garlic galore, which is like the first time I've let that happen in 4 years. So thank heavens I got more garlic galore. Last one, Italian sausage seasoning. I actually use this all the time. I love it. I love adding it to any kind of ground meat, pork, beef, turkey, whatever I have. I turn it into like Italian sausage and really spice up any ground beef, ground meat meal I'm having. So love this one. Okay, so I love every single spice that comes in this menu, and all those are used to make your 21 days worth of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Super awesome. I want to show you one last thing here. Let's see if we can. Holy cow. Okay. So now I'm safe to turn the camera around if I can. I can't. Once it's filming, it's not letting me turn it around. Well, that's awesome. So I just made tonight our first H2 dinner tonight. It's in the oven right now. So we have, hopefully this is showing, our delicious home-style meatloaf with a tomato sauce topping. And then I prepped all the meals the other day. So I have all 21 prepped, ready to go. I did that without my bundle coming because I already had all these spices, of course, so I was just able to get started. So we are ready to go for the whole month of January. That is super exciting, and I can't wait for you to give this a try and just give yourself, like, press the easy button and eat super clean and super healthy without even having to think about it. All right, thanks for hanging in with me. Ciao.